Pangalan mo?
Sean.
Siya, ano pangalan mo?
Berhel.
Oh, yeah. Just call me Mr. Mao.
Okay, Mr. Mao. Okay, Mr. Mao.
That's my
Name.
last name.
Last name.
My first name is
Halley.
Haley.
Halley.
So it's a Haley.
Halley Mao.
So it's a Haley.
Halley Mao.
Haley. Mao.